Hello children, I hope you are healthy, happy and enjoying your e-learning. After the completion of first chapter, today we are going to start our second chapter, that is programming basics. Dear children, you know when you have to talk with your friend, you should know his language, or we can say you should need a language which is common among both of you. You know that computer cannot work itself. You have to give instructions. Those instructions are known as program, and the language which is used to give instructions is programming language. As we know, computer understood only binary language or machine language. As it is said that to solve any program or to do any work, you should follow proper planning. That means you should follow step-by-step procedure. Algorithm and flowchart help us to create program in step-by-step manner. A computer program involves 3 steps: algorithm, flowchart and program. Now we will discuss what is algorithm and how it can be created. Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve any particular problem, whether it is a mathematical problem or logical. We can take any example like packing your school bag, buying a new shirt, etc. You will write the algorithm by following the way shown on your screen by using the method of step 1, step 2, step 3. Let us take an example by comparing two numbers and finding out the bigger one. Like it is shown that step 1 start, step 2 take two numbers, in step 3 we will compare them, in step 4 print A is greater, in step 5 stop, in step 6 print B is greater, in step 7 go to step 5. It means if A is greater, that's all. Otherwise, the controller will again go to step 5 and compare the numbers again and print B is greater. Now move to flowchart. Flowchart is a pictorial representation. It uses different boxes according to the nature of statement. Its flow is always from top to bottom. Hermann Goldstein and John von Neumann developed a flowchart to plan computer program. In a flowchart, geometrical symbols are connected with each other by arrows. Here is a table showing you some basic symbols that are used while making a flowchart, like oval for stop and start, parallelogram for input and output, rectangle for processing, rhombus for discussion, arrow for flow lines and small circles for connectors if flowchart is moving to next page. There are many reasons to make a flowchart. It is an effective way to analyze the problem. It is a better way to understand the logic. It guides the programmer that how to work. It helps in finding errors easily. But it becomes complex if problem logic is long, and editing is also very difficult in it. You have to draw the whole flowchart again. We have to follow few rules while making a flowchart. Let us discuss those rules. First of all the requirements should be listed in a logical order. It should be neat, clear and easy to understand. Only one line should be used for the conjunction with terminal symbols. Direction should be always from top to bottom or from left to right. Intersection of lines should not be there. Better to use connectors to reduce complexity. Now take an example by converting an algorithm to flowchart. Children, see in start that it is the beginning of flowchart. Then as an input the to give two numbers to the computer. Then processing, it will calculate the numbers, and output, the result is displayed, and stop means the end of the flowchart. That's all for today, children. You have to read your chapter till here carefully. Try to understand the logic of flowchart and algorithm. We will meet again in next session. Till then, goodbye.